What'd you find, Sambuca?
Am I allowed to play tug of war with her?
You can tug a little bit with her. Yeah. It's our little girl's first night home. She looks happy with us. Well, at least she's happy with her toys anyways. She didn't cry at all for the 3 hours home. She's very well behaved. Just slept most of the way, really. There we go, there's some noise.